Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Heaven Song Studio. Thank you, everyone. And this is Steve Okeke, and I'm working with the Heaven Song Studio. And I've been working with different dolls since 2013, and I came to love Studio One lately. And Studio One, it's very flexible and very good to work with. Very good to work with. And what we're dealing with today is the constant crashes of Studio One. Studio One keeps crashing and the complaint is everywhere. Small thing, Studio One will freeze and crash. And what I faced in the past 2 weeks were terrible. I mean, like, I will finish work and I will want to open it and it will just freeze. And there's nothing I've not tried. And the only option it gives me is if I had to deactivate my VS3, and majority of my plugins are in my VS3. So I could pinpoint that maybe there's a plugin in the VS3 that is causing problem, but I have quite a number of them. And how do I figure out? How do I pick out? There is nothing in Studio One that tells you that okay, this plugin is giving problem, this one is giving you stress. Okay, zero down on this. So it's like looking for a needle in the middle of an ocean. But I found out that there's always a way to solve a problem. So let's dive in without much talk and you will see what I am saying. So I will open my Studio One here. I will open Studio One. It's loading. Now you can see it says we are sorry Studio One quit unexpectedly. The following actions could not be completed. Open documents. Such an awesome God is a song I was working on and it couldn't open. And you can see that Studio One gives you what we call Studio One safety. You can send in diagnostic report to Studio One team. You can start with options. These are the options: disable startup action, disable ARA plugin support, disable ASU driver support, disable rewire support, disable VS3 plugin support, disable VST 2.4 plugin support, disable window audio support, show plugin manager. I've tried all of them, but I found out that every time I disable my VS3 plugin, it will all just go away and then the problem will just disappear. But I have quite a number of plugins that are in this that are in Studio in VS3. I mean VS3 plugin. So let's just start it normally and you will see what I'm telling you about. It's loading. All right, it has loaded and these are my recent files. Now let's open this. It's a work I was doing yesterday and I found that okay, boom, loading workspace. This is forever. I can wait forever and it will never load workspace. It's frozen. How do I know it's frozen? Let's go to, I will open my tax manager. Take a look here. Studio One.exe, not responding. I tell you the truth, it has frozen, it has crashed, it will not do anything. So, and I had some VS3 like EZ Drummer 3 that I used on this work. So how do I fix this problem? So I'm going to shut this down, end the process. And okay, so there's what I did. I went into my VS3 folder and you can get to VS3 folder like this way. You open your Explorer, then you go to your primary disk, go to your program. If you're using Windows, I don't know about Mac, I'm just talking about Windows. You go to your program, go to common files, okay, common files, then you will see your VS3 right here, VS3. Now, if you open it, I have quite a number of them right inside here. So what I did was I opened another folder in another drive and I simply cut out my VS3 from this common folder and put it in that folder in another disk. And when I open my Studio One, it opened normally. And then what I did was that I started bringing back all these folders one by one back to my VS3 inside the common file. And as I bring in each one, I will restart. The first thing I did in Studio One was I went to the setup, to the options, and I told Studio One to scan a startup. So it will rescan each one I brought in, and as he rescans it, it will open, and it started opening. Now I finally found out that the problem was on this folder that has other mix-ups. So what I did was that I simply created a folder somewhere. Okay, that's it here. So I simply created a folder somewhere, and I cut it out and I put it. Now other VS3s are here. So watch. I now opened Studio One again. Let's see if it will crash again. I told it start normally. Just start normally. All right, so I will open the same project again. No freezing. Boom, it's open. So, and that solves the problem. Instead of getting frustrated, and sometimes you can install a plugin and you may not remember. So another way to also do it is to set up restore point. When you want to install any work, set up restore point. You can come over here and search for restore point, or create restore point. So you can easily create a restore point on your disk. You can create a restore point and click OK, so that after you finish installing your new plugin or updating it and it start crashing your Studio One, you can go to that restore point and click on it to restore it back to the place before the installation, and it will solve the problem for you perfectly and permanently in Windows, and that will fix the problem, I think. So you see what I did, I went to options and tell it to scan as setup and scan all the folders, and I started doing that repeatedly, and it solved the problem. So it's worth it. After almost a month or so of frustration, crash, I used one day today to sort it out, and I think I've been able to pinpoint the 2-3 plugins, VS3 plugins that we are causing Studio One to crash. And please, you can subscribe to our channel. This is the first video I'm doing on this channel, and we are set on looking at the solutions to many issues and challenges that people are facing with different doors, and we can come up with 1 or 2 solutions as we go through it. Please share on comment below what you feel are your own solutions to the Studio One crashes. This is the solution I have for it. And also remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get the notification any other time we set any video. Thank you. This is Heaven Song Studio. Bye for now. We will see again.